You ready for some more? Let's scoop it. Oh, that's a big bite. Good job. And that is so good, buddy. Feeding yourself like a big boy. Scoop it. Oh, that was a big scoop. Here, let me help you. Get a little one. Put it in your mouth. Go for it. Okay. Yay. That is wonderful, buddy. You want another bite? I'm still working on that one. Charlie doesn't need that. Charlie doesn't need it. Scoop some up. Good job. Good job, buddy. Good job. Oh. Nope. Charlie can't lick the spoon. Scoop some up. Yay. Is that good stuff? Here. You got it? There you go. Little scoops. Alright, Mommy will leave you alone. You want to do it yourself. Here. Nope, don't play with it. Here we go. Here. You did a great job, buddy.